Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Ipsy Glambag X to go over with you. I'm really excited because this is only my second Glambag X ever. I was really excited too to see that one of the main stars from Riverdale was going to be curating the box this time. So for those of you who do not know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. This in particular one is seasonal. It only happens every 3 months or so, I do believe. And it costs $55. So if you have another Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus, they're going to replace the Glam Bag Plus or the Glam Bag depending on what subscriptions that you have. If you're a yearly member like myself, they will go ahead and add an additional bag to your account, and you won't get the bag for that month, but then you'll be upgraded to the Glam Bag X. It's a little bit confusing, but it works. Okay, so this is my box here. It's pretty heavy actually. So let's see. There's like a little flyer in here. Looks like a little newspaper and Glam Bag X on there. I'm hoping some of the products will be in here. It looks like they are. Cool. So this will make it easier for me as we go over the box, so I can just look in here and let everyone know price points and everything on the packaging. I really like that they included this. This is really helpful. Okay, my first thing I got in here is this floral fits all bag. It's actually really cute. It just came all zipped weird and everything. And I was thinking when I saw this, I'm like, oh yeah, you could put like brushes down here and put your makeup up here and be perfect for vacations and stuff. And it even has like a little holder in here for your brushes. So that's actually what I think it's made for. I really like this bag. Super cute. It's got pockets inside of pockets. This bag is valued at $18. So here is my first item. Okay, my next item is from First Aid Beauty. It's Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. It soothes and nourishes, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I really like First Aid Beauty for most part that I've tried it. It's sealed, so I can't exactly smell it right now. I'm not going to open it because I do have quite a few toners open, and I like to use up one or two of them before I open up another one. But this toner is valued at $24. Okay, my next product is from Tarte. It's a Creaseless Concealer. I really like Tarte, and for the most part, their stuff that I tried, I have liked, if not loved. So this is a $27 value for this concealer here, and it's in the shade Fair. It might be a little light for me, but it's okay to be like a little light on concealers. Helps brighten up the skin a little bit, so that's not going to hurt anything. My next item, honestly, I'm really excited about this. I can't believe the packaging on this. This is the body serum. It's gorgeous. And the flowers on there, just the way they package this is absolutely amazing. But let me get it open. Okay, cool. So it's just like a basic packaging. Honestly, I like the texture of it. It's really smooth and really soft. This looks like a really nice body serum. This is probably really expensive. So let's see how much this is valued at. Okay, so this body serum is $58. And honestly, I can see it's heavy too. It's heavyweight. I think this is going to be really good. I'm really excited to try this product, but I will be letting everyone know on reviews how I think it performs and any other facts and stuff I can come up with for that. But here is this one. Really excited for that. Okay, this next item, I do remember that I chose this. I can't remember everything that I chose and didn't choose. It's just too much to remember. But this is the Pink Drink Resurfacing Essence from Sunday Riley. Now, Sunday Riley is a pretty expensive, luxurious skincare brand. This in particular essence is valued at $48. So for those of you who don't know what essence is, it's kind of like a primer for skincare. You put it on before you put on the rest of your skincare, and it just helps your skin absorb whatever you're going to put on it next. So it's always good to have a couple of these laying around for sure. And I like that it's pink. I think that's super cute and fun. And it's in a glass bottle, which I'm also a fan of. One thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, you get 8 full-size products with this. So you get to choose 3 of your 8. They choose 5 for you based on your profile, but they're pretty good about getting your profile down. And if they mess something up or you don't like something, then they fix it for next time. So it's really cool how they have their system set up. They really do go off of profiles with Ipsy, which is absolutely amazing. This next product is a Clay Date Hydra Activating Pink Clay Mask for Deep Nourishing. So I do like clay masks. They're not my favorite masks, but I will definitely use this. This is valued at $42. It says, make a date with this face mask once a week to help reset your skin. It's made with mineral-rich pink clay, nourishing rose hip oil, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and soothing aloe vera to help leave your complexion looking clear and glowy. Well, that was a mouthful. Anyways, so I'm happy to add this to my little mask drawer, which honestly is starting to become almost unmanageable. So I'm going to have to start giving stuff away as much as I'd hate to. So I really love skincare and I want to try it all, but it's only good for a certain amount of time. So I may be gifting some stuff to some people. I'm getting ready for that giveaway coming up. For those of you who don't know, I do giveaways on this channel, and every couple of months I like to do a giveaway. I'm getting close to 300 subscribers, so I'm just going to shoot for the 300 subscriber mark, and once I hit 300 subscribers, then we're going to have another giveaway. But I actually want to smell this, if it's not... Okay. It smells like clay, but not like an overpowering smell, so that's good. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so I got this TYS Beauty Peppermint Infused Lip Plumper. I'm okay with lip plumpers. They don't really bother me like they do some people. I know some people don't like the tingly sensation that it gives your lips, but I honestly don't mind it. And I do like peppermint, so that is a plus. This lip treatment is valued at $30. And then I chose the foundation, and I know this is probably going to be lighter for me. I don't really mind if the foundation's too light. I just don't want it to be too dark, because then I feel like you can't do anything with that. It's just kind of, it is what it is. But I'm okay with getting a little bit lighter foundation color. They kind of pick the color for you for the foundation, and you just choose whether you want to try the foundation or not. So this is from Nude 6, and this foundation is valued at $36. So that's everything I got in my Glambag X. But I did get one add-on that I wanted to show everyone that I got. I just couldn't resist. I love fluffy brushes, and it has a couple fluffy brushes in here. So I definitely picked it up. It's Swiss Glam brushes, and they're like marbled. So it kind of goes with my Jeffree Star bag that I just unboxed. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. I have a 420 sale that I'm going over in the video. It has 2 parts to it. But anyways, super excited. I'm going to be putting my retail value for my box up here in the corner. That's everything I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.